Hi, books for TIFR JGEEBILS biology. I'll be suggesting some books that are classical. Let's start. Biochemistry, you can follow Leninger, or you can follow Berg, or you can follow Harper's Illustrated Biochemistry. I personally use Leninger. For microbiology, you can use Prescott, or this Brook biology, or this Tortora. For cell biology, you can use Lordish, or Joffrey, or this Bruce Alberts. For molecular biology, again Watson, Bruce Alberts, or Benjamin. For genetics, Russell or Elizabeth, or Peter or Larry. For human physiology, you can go with this Elsevier book, Willy book, or you can also use this Sherwood book. But for the human physiology part, you really need not to study in depth. You can follow NCERT also, that will also suffice. For chemistry, NCERT is fine, but for some topics like thermodynamics and pH equilibrium, those things, this Leninger will take care of this pH and buffer concepts. So for physical chemistry, only few of the topics, if you feel like you need to study more, then you can go for these books. Otherwise, I mean, there is no hardcore need to read these chemistry books for biology exams. Then for mathematics and stats, at least you have to study one of this book if you really want to like crack exams, and especially if you are interested in computational biology field, at least one book you should read to develop your research aptitude kind of thing. No, you can either use Murray or this Nicola's book, or either you can use this Cambridge University Press ka book, or maybe this mathematics for the biological sciences. I mean, you try reading at least one chapter of each book, and then you figure out like which book is best suited for you. So this is a set of books which I personally used. Like for biochemistry, I used Leninger. Hi, I'm Payal, and I have cleared TIFR exam, GATB, GATE, and IIT JAM, and now I'm currently in ISC. So therefore, I used these books to prepare all these for all these exams. I have cracked all these exams with really flying colors. So yeah, you can consider my suggestions. If you read only these 6 books also, then also you will be able to succeed well. So you can take a screenshot. Then, but if you are in final year of your UG program, because I started reading all these books when I was in first year. So if you are in final year, then please, I mean, if you want to complete your task in small time, then you can use Pathfinder book. These books are also very well designed, although these are for CSIR exam, but still, I mean, some topics are there for IIT JAM and TIFR and all, then you can use these books. And for interview preparation and stuff, you can use this biophysics and molecular biology. This is a very good book in terms of learning techniques and stuff. But for TIFR GS 2026, this smartest way is to follow this crash course, because like you really need not to study all these books. You will be getting lectures. Whatever content is needed, it's very concise and briefly presented in the form of lectures. You make your own notes, revise, and solve previous year papers. There will be quizzes, all those quizzes, and subjective questions also will be taken care of using those special classes. So you can consider joining this course. Link is in the description. So thank you. We'll see you in the next video. Best wishes for your exam.